So organizing tools are really important. And those are things like I put a battery organizer here, and I always like to include this in all my presentations because the 9-volt batteries, the ones in the middle on the right with the 2 terminals, it's always good to have batteries in a battery organizer because of those. If they are loose and they touch, you can have fire on your hands very, very quickly. So if you have them stored loose, put electrical tape over the terminals. If not, get a battery organizer. Hardware stores carry them. You can, all kinds of places have them. Kitchen Stuff Plus, I think. Very important. But you want to look at what works for your brain. So if you look at the drawer there, some people like to have the drawer organizer with the cutlery tray, right? And do it that way. Other people I want inserts put in so I can just chuck them in there like that. Slight difference, but works differently for different brain types. And it depends on the structure of your drawers and kitchens, but it's sometimes very important to add structure and limits to drawers. So this was a client who had some really lovely belts. And she didn't want them hung up because some of them didn't have a way to hang up. So we said, all right, let's work with this nice drawer. And we put in these nice little drawer inserts. She still has some room to put some others in there. But the deal is, if she buys another belt, she's got to take one out because she loves to shop. So we're working at finding ways to limit. And it's the same way with dresser drawers. A lot of us overstuff them and you'll end up breaking that drawer. Again, 2/3 to 3/4 full. And then you can usually see what you want. And there's ways of doing it, folding, rolling, whatever. I mean, I don't like to spend a lot of time folding. I'm not one of those Marie Kondo people at all. I like to roll. It's easy. But everyone has their own way. Getting creative here. This was a custom job for a client who had a spare room, and their little closets in their old house were so little. I said, you know what? We want to use this room and create a giant walk-in closet. So with my handyman, we got some pipe shelving, and they wanted the gold instead of the black. And we made the whole room into a walk-in closet with some shelves on the wall for shoes and then a center rack for special items. It was so much fun. This is just one wall. You can do all kinds of things with spaces that maybe you don't use, and you can transform them into what you need.